We're literally living in a house of mirrors. Every person that you and I meet, they're showing us something. They offer us something. They're reflecting who we are and how we're being. The practice of recognizing life and one another as a mirror. No one is here to give us what we want. Whether it's our partners, whether it's our parents, not our children, our colleagues. They're not here to complete us. They're not here to fix us. And they're certainly not here to save us. What's going on in here, that's my job. But the gift of it is they're reflecting back who you and I are and how we're being. Because life is this dance of how we're literally living in a house of mirrors. Every person that you and I meet, they're showing us something. They offer us something. They're reflecting who we are and how we're being. Every single reaction, every reaction we experience, it's an invitation. It's a simple invitation to notice, to become aware, to really examine and to tune into our inner state of mind. What are we believing upon one another? What beliefs or thought is disconnecting me? Because they're not their behavior alone. It's our reaction to their behavior that causes the discord. It's often not the behavior itself. So let's tune in and ask yourself, think about somebody in your life who really triggers you. What triggers you most about them? And when I say triggers, possibly what frustrates you, even a slight irritation. Just tune in. What do you notice? What if this person who's frustrates you or where you feel a resistance, what if they're inviting a deeper level of our love, a deeper level of our presence? What else is beautiful on the flip side of this? Everything that we love and appreciate about another, it's actually what you love and appreciate about yourself, because it's all in us. We're one. This beautiful connected reality right now. I'm here across the planet, and yet we are sharing this moment. We're sharing this breath. We're sharing this divine experience, this divine moment. It's so beautiful, this connectivity of life. And it's not about perfection. It's simply about an awareness, not awareness of the other, an awareness of our own internal state of being. How am I being in this moment? I find that question such a kind guide back home. It's through each of our willingness to uproot any illusions of mind, that we each open to the depth and the beauty and the miracle of life within us, the miracle and the beauty of life around us, in one another, and we experience our nature, our divine nature that we're all intended to know. And may each and every one of you, may we all continue to choose to catch ourselves and choose to live a kinder way.